Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you how important and how useful the transformation or transform Docker is. In later versions, it's transform. In earlier versions, it's transformation. We're going to take a line and we're going to start drawing it in the center of the page. Sometimes it's kind of hard to find. Let me bring in some indexing lines. I just bring in indexing lines and hit P. Get your 2-point line and go from that center, holding down the control button so it's perfect. Now let's take away the indexing lines. Now, if you were going to rotate this from here, you could double click on it and move the rotation to here. But you don't have to do that. If you go to Windows, Dockers, and Transform or Transformation, and you pick this right here, you don't even have to be in the center one. Click off of it and look what it's put the rotation to the bottom. Now, we want to rotate this 11 times. 360 divided by 11 is 32, 72, 72, 72, 73. You could cut and paste that number in there, but let Corel do the math and they'll extend it out. 360 divided by 11 is 32,727. And I guarantee this is dead on. Now, I did it 11 times. I only have 10 marked here because whenever Corel says copies, that means they're going to use the original. So if we measured these points with the parallel dimension tool and we bumped up our decimal place pretty far, and if we went from that node to that node, we are 5.42678. 5.2678. Every one of them is perfectly divided because Corel did the math, and even though it only shows a couple of digits, it evidently went to all the digits. Anyway, transformation Docker, it's got a position, rotation, scale and mirror, size, and skew, which there is a reason for the skew. You can move things. That'd be another video, and I think I've probably already done one on it. When you had to skew text repeatedly and you want them all the same. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.